For this monotype of Dunstanburgh Castle, I printed using a series of paper stencils. The castle silhouette comes first. The plastic sheet with the stencil goes through my printing press with the paper on top. Each time I print, I add another layer of rocks. With a combination of wiping ink away and splashes of solvent, I soften the lower edge where the waves lap the rocks. On this layer, I add the sea with grey ink. With the rocks complete, I turn my attention to the sky. I'm wiping away with a cloth to suggest cloud formations. I print again. I use a registration system to get the different elements in the right places. See the pen lines on the plastic sheet that guide me. Now I add some translucent colour. I roll up with blue for the sea, then wipe some areas for the foam of the waves. Time to print again. The final layer is a colour gradient in the sky. Here's the finished result.